As the train pulled away, I stood on the platform with just £20 in my pocket, equal parts excited and anxious. Fordwich, England's smallest town, promised a test of resourcefulness. The challenge: 48 hours with only a £20 note. No luxuries, just essentials in my backpack and a vow to use my phone sparingly. Every decision would matter, food or shelter first. The note felt heavy with responsibility. The thrill of the unknown pushed me forward into this ancient corner of England. Fordwich greeted me with a quaint, almost timeless charm. Its medieval streets and centuries-old buildings whispered stories of the past. The town felt expansive in culture despite its size. Nature's quiet replaced the usual city noise, inviting me to slow down. Drawn to the old church, I felt a sense of belonging beneath its steeple. Here, the outside world faded away. Every corner seemed to hold a story, every stone a piece of history. Fordwich was the perfect setting for my minimalist challenge. Hunger set in, and my first task was to find food without blowing my budget. I entered a small local shop, shelves lined with simple goods. After careful calculation, I bought bread, cheese and an apple for £3.50. These basics would need to last. The shopkeeper, a kindly gentleman, shared local stories as I paid, free entertainment with my meal. Sitting by the river, I savoured each bite. The meal was modest, but satisfying. Sometimes, the simplest food brings the most pleasure. Satisfaction, I realised, often lies in the basics. With food sorted, shelter became my next priority. Fordwich had no hotels, and B&Bs were out of reach. I wandered, hoping to barter a story or some help for a place to sleep. The community hall's notice board offered a few leads. As the afternoon waned, urgency set in. The uncertainty was daunting, but it made the experience real. Searching for shelter became its own adventure. As dusk fell, Fordwich grew quieter, and my search for shelter more urgent. I headed to a local pub, hoping for advice. The locals were curious and generous with suggestions. Margaret, a retired teacher, offered her old barn as shelter in exchange for help. The barn was rustic but dry, and I accepted gratefully. Her kindness was a reminder of the power of community. In the quiet countryside, I found unexpected peace. Dawn in the barn brought fresh air and a sense of renewal. I felt invigorated, ready for another day in Fordwich. A walk by the river became an exercise in mindfulness. Breakfast was simple but deeply satisfying in the quiet. Without distractions, I appreciated the moment. The day ahead was open, free from the usual rush. In the stillness, I found clarity and contentment. As my time ended, I counted £6.50 left, proof that mindful spending works. The real value was in the experiences, not the money. Each choice taught me what I truly needed. Meals and shelter became stories of kindness and connection. The challenge changed my view of value itself. Fordwich offered insight and inspiration beyond expectation. The true treasures were found in simplicity. Boarding the train, I left Fordwich with more than memories. The experience was a lesson in the richness of living with less. Stripped of distractions, I found beauty in simplicity. Contentment, I learned, comes from perspective, not possessions. Fordwich's charm and the challenge's lessons would stay with me. Sometimes thriving means embracing the richness of less. Let me know if you need further tightening or adjustments.